The Amazon jungle is built on balance, where every animal group plays a role in survival and ecosystem stability. Jaguars are solitary hunters, controlling large territories and avoiding contact with other jaguars most of the time. Fish move in massive schools, creating synchronized patterns that confuse predators and increase their survival chances. Amazon river dolphins often stay in small groups, using sound signals to stay connected underwater. Capybaras live in social groups near rivers, staying close together to stay safe from predators in the wild. Macaws live in large flocks, flying together across the jungle, using strong group coordination for safety and communication. Ant colonies work as one supergroup, with millions of individuals cooperating perfectly for survival and food collection. Spider monkeys travel in coordinated groups, swinging through trees with strong teamwork and constant communication. Tapirs usually live alone or in small family groups, quietly moving through forest paths in search of food. Monkey troops move as tight family groups, protecting each other while searching for food and maintaining strong social bonds. Many frog species form large groups during rainy seasons, especially for breeding and survival in wet conditions. Caimans often gather near riverbanks, staying still in groups while waiting for prey to come close. Leafcutter ants form massive organized colonies, carrying leaves together in perfectly coordinated lines. Toucans often gather in small groups in trees, using bright colors and calls for communication and awareness.